Once Hazrat Ali asked Imam Hassan, Ya bunayya, mal jahal, my dear son, what is ignorance? Faqala, he replied, Suratul wasube al fursate qabl istiqan minha, jumping into a work before getting an opportunity. Wal imtanao anil jawab, responding without thinking before the conversation is over. And when the answer is known and it is appropriate to give, then there is to not to give the answer is ignorance. Hazrat Ali said, Kafa bil mar'e jahlan Allah yarifa qadrahu. It is enough for the ignorance of a person that he doesn't know his worth. Rasul jahle ma'adatun nas, take enmity from people for nothing, is a major sign of ignorance. Hazrat Ali further said, Al jahlu fil insani azzaru min al aklati fil abdan. Ignorance is more dangerous than the physical disease for the human being. Mawaddatul juhale mutaghayyiratul ahwal. The love of ignorant people changes color like the chameleon. He mentioned al-hirso wa sharrato wal bukhlo natijatul jahal. Greed, bad temper, miserliness and avarice are the result of ignorance. Hazrat Ali described al-aqilu ya'tamidu ala amalihi wal jahilu ya'tamidu ala amalihi. A wise man trusts his actions and ignorant trusts his wish and desire. Hazrat Ali further said, these things make the hearts dead. Number 1, sin after sin. Number 2, quarrel and controversy with the fool. Number 3, sit with the dead. Hazrat Ali was asked, who are these dead people? He replied, everyone intoxicated with the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and does not care for the world hereafter.